Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Just want to say a appreciation and thank you to all the new subscribers and the old subscribers as well. The channel hit 700 here recently, so getting closer to 1,000. Appreciate that a whole bunch, and all the support and stuff for the car and the channel and such. Again, just really appreciate it. You know, as far as the plans for the STI goes, so I'll say this channel update, you know, we're at 390 wheel right now. We got a couple little modifications planned for it, nothing crazy at the moment. I have reached out to 2 or 3 performance shops here that are about 4 to 5 hours away from me, and you know, just so everybody knows what the end goal is for the car at this point in time. So I'd like to be somewhere in the 500 to 600 wheel on the 85. I've reached out to them to see what they suggest as far as modifications to get there. One shop's already replied back to me. The other 2 I haven't heard from. I understand those guys are real busy and stuff, so no pressure at this point being it's that far down the road. But one shop's already reached back out and said that of course to do a rotated setup. I can't remember what turbo it was they recommended, but it was a Garrett series. I do know that. Can't remember the number designation though. But of course they recommended to do a full rotated setup. They said to estimate it for a $20,000 build. You know, that's just the cash that you would need in order to do that, not including some of the stuff I've already have on the car. So of course I'd have to sell some of the stuff on the car to do the build for a full rotated setup, which, you know, I'm all down for it. I would personally like to keep a stock location set up just to keep with the theme of not really OEM plus, but you know, it looks clean and stuff with the stock location the way it is now. Don't get me wrong, when you do a rotated setup and you pop the hood, you get the more wow factor, I guess you could factor that into it, which is cool. But you know, that's just the plans for the car as it sits. Like I said, I got a couple little appearance modifications lined up, nothing too crazy, you know, so maybe some more vlog style videos. I got a new dirt bike there a couple weeks ago to add to the stable. I can tell you about here in a second if you're interested. But yeah, that's the plans for the car at the moment. Just got to save 20 grand and see where we end up. Now, as far as the new bike's concerned, let's see, just picked that up last week, not last week, but 2 weeks ago. It's a KTM 2022 350 XCF. It's a pretty mean little ride for what I need for anyway, and go along with my 2012 250 XC KTM. So if you've been around for a while, you can see I had a MT-09 Yamaha. Still have it. I'm trying to sell it, and I'm going to have another one added to the stable hopefully within the next 6 months, if I can make that happen. Something a little bit more in line with what I like for these mountains around here. I've had sport bikes forever. I'm just kind of outgrown them. Want something a little bit different, something more hooligan, I guess you could say. So, but that might show up here in a couple, 3, 4, 5 months or so. But anyway, so I'll just throw out a little channel update for everybody, let you know what kind of direction we're looking for on the car here. I'm still going to throw out some content on the car. If anybody wants to see some bike content, dirt bike stuff, just let me know in the comments. Again, appreciate all the support with the old and new subscribers, and if we can get the channel to 1,000 subscribers, that'd be awesome. I really do appreciate that. But if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. We'll catch you in the next one.